Hey guys, it's areas and smoothing other body parts. Sounds promising, right? So what is this product? If I'm not mistaken, this is one of the original when it comes to salt scrub. And as you can see in the title, it is the Ebony Milk Salt Scrub. This one is made in Thailand. This Ebony Spa Milk Salt is moisturizing, whitening, smooth, and baby skin. It says right here, it's triple white, the #1 super brands in 2017 to 2018. This contains 350 grams, and in the back of the packaging, it says here that we can use it in the underarm for exfoliating and in the bikini line, so you can use it in your bum area. This Spa Milk Salt is a skin brightening product with milk formula and natural spa salt benefits. It is used to scrub the skin to remove grime, sweat pollutants from your body without causing irritation. Most importantly, to remove the dead skin cells to open up the new ones of new, smooth, bright, and radiant look. At the same time, it nourishes your skin with pure milk, arbutin, and allantoin. Milk protein helps skin to retain moisture, prevent dryness and roughness, giving your skin lasting radiance. Direction is to pour spa milk salt on your palm. Rub gently in circular motion on wet skin. Leave it on your skin for 3 minutes, then rinse off with clean water, and after use, you can feel your skin's softness and smoothness. Well, for me, I've been using the product with a glove and a body wash. Then I mix this Ebony Spa Milk Salt. Then that's the time I will apply it on my knees, elbows, armpits sometimes, but most of the time I use it in my knees, in my elbows, and surprisingly, it has been truly effective in removing my callus and smoothening my feet, my ankles, and it has been removing a lot of dead skin in my feet and also in my bum area together with the body soap, because I feel that it glides more smoothly when it is mixed with the body soap. And I've seen other content creators and ladies that are using Ebony Spa Milk Salt, that they mix it with the sunflower oil in the same process in a circular motion on wet skin, and it's been truly effective to them. And I can see some visible changes in my skin too, in my knees, in my elbows, and in my feet with my callus and dead skins. And just a tip, guys, do not use this scrub after shaving your legs or your armpits or your intimate area, because it can be irritating. So use this first, then shave your legs or other parts of your body that you want to shave. And I also suggest that after using this product, please do apply moisturizing lotion so that your skin will be moisturized and it won't leave your skin dry. But for oily skin type like me, it does not leave my skin dry. If you are dry skin or sensitive skin, it may dry up your skin or control that by using soothing gels or any other moisturizing lotions like the Jea Chan Skin Lightening Lotion, which I'll be sharing to you in a separate video. And to those ladies out there that have used this product before, please do share your thoughts on how you use this product, how often do you use it, what are your methods in incorporating ebony milk salt scrub in your skincare routine in the comments section. So other ladies, I myself, and our viewers can apply in our skincare routine as well. Now, if you guys want to try out this product and all the other products in this channel, head on to Minako Online Beauty official website that I'll be linking down below. And no worries, because all their products are purchased either direct from the manufacturer or major retailers to ensure quality and authenticity. Be updated. Order not approved and lost parcel. So rest assured guys, Minako Online Beauty Official has after sales services. To see more of my contents, follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at it's Jea Chan, Jea Chan on YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe to Minako Online Beauty Official YouTube channel. Like this video, comment, share this to your friends, and that would be all.